One $6 spray can holds the power to prevent catastrophic failures that drain bank accounts, but spray the wrong spot and you'll create disasters that cost more than a new transmission. Most car owners treat WD-40 like magic fairy dust, blasting it everywhere without understanding the chemistry. That ignorance turns $50 problems into $5,000 nightmares. Today you'll discover 11 advanced WD-40 strategies that separate weekend warriors from master mechanics, including the deadly mistakes that destroy brakes, ruin sensors, and void warranties. Critical safety warnings first. Tip number 1, never spray these 7 death zones. Your car has landmines disguised as squeaky parts, and WD-40 can trigger every one. The reason this is happening, people see penetrating oil and think it fixes everything, but some components need friction, precision, or delicate calibration to keep you alive. But listen to this: brake components, oxygen sensors, mass airflow sensors, throttle bodies, timing belts, airbag connectors, and ABS wheel speed sensors all react to WD-40 like vampires to sunlight. It gets worse. Contaminating these systems doesn't just fail, it fails dangerously, often without warning codes until something catastrophic happens. Brakes lose bite, sensors read wrong, timing slips, airbags misfire. Each spray on the wrong target is Russian roulette with physics. But that's not all. Insurance companies love finding improper maintenance to deny claims. Smart mechanics know the forbidden zones and respect them like high voltage lines. Death zones stay untouched. Identify brake components, sensors, timing belts, and airbag systems before spraying anything. When in doubt, research the part or consult a manual before applying any chemical. Tip number 2, the hidden sensor killer that mimics success. You spray a dirty sensor, the code clears, the car runs smooth, victory. Right? Wrong. The reason this is happening, WD-40's petroleum base forms an insulating film that temporarily masks sensor problems while slowly poisoning the element inside. It gets worse. Mass airflow sensors, oxygen sensors, and throttle position sensors read air, fuel, and movement through delicate materials that petroleum contamination destroys permanently. But listen to this: the car might run better initially because the film blocks some contamination, creating a false improvement that lasts weeks before the real damage emerges. Then you're facing $200–800 sensor replacements, plus the original problem you never actually fixed. But that's not all. Modern engines rely on sensor precision for emissions compliance, and contaminated sensors can trigger DEF systems, catalytic converter damage, or even engine management shutdowns. Clean sensors with appropriate electronics cleaners only. Success isn't temporary improvement, it's lasting solutions. Use only electronics safe cleaners on sensors. If you accidentally contaminated one with WD-40, replace it immediately and address the root cause that made it dirty. Tip number 3. Why your fixed squeaks cost $3,000 later. That annoying brake squeak disappears after one WD-40 blast, until your mechanic shows you glazed pads and contaminated rotors 6 months later. But listen to this: brake squeaks are warning systems, not maintenance requests. The reason this is happening, squeaks indicate pad wear, rotor glazing, or debris contamination, and masking them with lubricant is like unplugging a smoke detector. It gets worse. WD-40 soaks into friction material permanently, reducing stopping power and requiring complete pad replacement even if they have thickness left. But that's not all. Contaminated pads overheat rotors, warp surfaces, damage calipers, and can trigger brake fade at the worst possible moment. The real fix involves cleaning, inspection, proper lubrication of slide pins only, and addressing the root cause. Professional brake cleaners evaporate completely, restoring friction surfaces to factory specifications. Quick fixes create slow disasters. Physics doesn't negotiate, and neither should your stopping power. Clean brakes with dedicated brake cleaner only. If you've contaminated them with WD-40, replace pads immediately and have rotors inspected for damage. Engine and diagnostic solutions. Tip number 4. The 2-minute diagnostic that beats $200 scanner sessions. Your engine idles like it's having an asthma attack, but the scanner shows no codes and mechanics want $200 to diagnose further. Here's the smarter play: create a controlled intake leak with WD-40 while the engine runs. The reason this is happening, vacuum leaks confuse the air-fuel mixture, causing rough idle, poor fuel economy, and phantom symptoms that scanners can't pinpoint without expensive smoke tests. But listen to this: WD-40's low viscosity penetrates tiny cracks that wouldn't trigger codes but still affect performance. Spray around vacuum hoses, intake boots, gaskets, and manifold connections while monitoring idle speed. If the idle smooths or changes RPM, you've found your culprit. It gets worse when you ignore small leaks. They grow into major failures that damage expensive sensors downstream. But that's not all. This technique works because WD-40 temporarily seals gaps, creating measurable changes that pinpoint problems instantly. 2 minutes, 1 can, and suddenly that mysterious rough idle has an address. With engine running, methodically spray WD-40 around vacuum connections while listening for idle changes. When you find the leak, mark it and replace the failed component immediately. Tip number 5. Resurrect dead ignition systems in parking lots. Rain soaks your engine bay, you turn the key, and get nothing but frustrated cranking. Tow trucks charge $150, mechanics want diagnostic fees, but WD-40's original magic water displacement can resurrect wet ignition systems in minutes. The reason this is happening, moisture creates electrical shorts between ignition components, disrupting spark timing and energy. But listen to this, WD-40 displaces water molecularly, pushing it out of crevices and leaving a protective film that prevents recontamination. It gets worse if you keep cranking a wet system, you'll flood cylinders, carbon foul plugs and stress expensive starters. But that's not all. Modern coil-on-plug systems are more water-sensitive than older distributors, making this technique invaluable for newer cars. Disconnect the battery for safety, remove ignition coils or plug boots, spray affected areas, wait for displacement action, then dry with compressed air if available. Reassemble and test. What seemed like a major failure becomes a parking lot fix that saves hundreds in towing and diagnostic fees. Battery disconnected. Spray WD-40 on wet ignition components. Allow 5 minutes for water displacement, dry if possible, reassemble, and test. Great for weather exposure, not flood damage. If preventing expensive failures and mastering professional techniques interests you, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Drop a comment about your costliest car repair. I'll respond with prevention strategies that could have saved you thousands. These insider tips don't spread themselves. Tip number 6. Stop timing chain death with this simple trick. Timing chain tensioners stick, rattle appears, and quotes start at $2,500 for replacement. But before you panic, try this. Locate the timing chain tensioner, usually on the front of the engine, and apply WD-40 Specialist penetrant to its adjustment mechanism. The reason this is happening, carbon buildup, varnish, and corrosion lock hydraulic tensioners in position, preventing proper chain tension adjustment. But listen to this. Many failing tensioners are just stuck, not broken. And penetrating oil can restore function for thousands more miles. It gets worse when you ignore the rattle, loose chains jump timing, bend valves, crack pistons, and destroy engines completely. But that's not all. This isn't a permanent fix, it's emergency medicine that buys time for proper repair planning. Apply penetrant, run the engine briefly to circulate fresh oil, and listen for improvement. If rattling decreases, you've earned breathing room. If not, prioritize professional repair before catastrophic failure. Timing is everything, especially in engines. Apply WD-40 Specialist penetrant to timing chain tensioner mechanism. Run engine briefly, listen for rattle reduction if improved. Plan proper repair, if not, seek immediate professional help. Electrical and mechanical fixes. Tip number 7. The corrosion fix that prevents $1,500 harness replacements. Green corrosion creeps through electrical connectors like cancer, creating intermittent faults that drive mechanics crazy and customers broke. Here's the intervention. Disconnect the batteries, separate corroded connectors, blast with WD-40 Specialist contact cleaner. Then protect with original WD-40's water displacing film. The reason this is happening, road salt, moisture, and dissimilar metals create galvanic corrosion that increases resistance and generates heat, eventually melting wires and destroying modules. But listen to this, early intervention costs $6, ignored corrosion costs thousands in harness replacement and module programming. It gets worse with modern vehicles. Everything's networked, so one bad connection can cascade into multiple system failures. But that's not all. The two-step process matters. Contact cleaner removes contamination and evaporates clean, while WD-40's film prevents moisture return. Clean metal conducts better, lasts longer, and keeps expensive electronics happy. This technique has saved countless ECMs, BCMs, and entire harnesses from premature death. Battery disconnected, spray connectors with contact cleaner, let evaporate, apply light WD-40 film to create moisture barrier, reconnect and test, address corrosion early before it spreads. Tip number 8. Unstick power windows without pulling panels. Your power window moves like it's swimming through peanut butter, making ominous grinding sounds that promise expensive regulator replacement. But that's not all. Window regulators fail from lack of lubrication, not mysterious mechanical breakdown. The reason this is happening, factory grease hardens over time, window tracks collect debris, and metal components bind under load. But listen to this, WD-40 Specialist white lithium grease stays put under temperature extremes and resists water washout better than spray oils. It gets worse when you force stuck windows, you'll strip plastic gears, bend metal tracks, or burn out expensive motors that cost $300–500 to replace. Instead, lower the window slightly, spray white lithium grease into visible track areas and pivot points. Work the window slowly up and down to distribute lubricant, then wipe excess to prevent dirt or traction. What sounded like motor failure often becomes smooth operation again. Prevention beats replacement every time, and your wallet will thank you. Lower windows slightly. Apply WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease to tracks and pivot points. Cycle window gently to distribute. Wipe excess. Address stiffness before it damages expensive motors. Exterior and cosmetic maintenance. Tip number 9. Remove impossible stickers without paint damage. That dealer sticker laughs at your fingernails and heat guns risk melting paint or trim, but WD-40's solvent blend dissolves adhesive bonds while staying gentle enough for clear coat safety. The reason this is happening: automotive stickers use aggressive adhesives designed to survive car washes and weather, creating molecular bonds that mechanical removal can't break without damage. But listen to this: WD-40 penetrates adhesive layers, softening them from underneath so decals release with minimal force. It gets worse when people use aggressive solvents, razor blades, or abrasive pads. They cut through clear coat faster than stickers, creating permanent damage that costs hundreds to repair professionally. But that's not all. Patience multiplies effectiveness. Spray the sticker edges. Let WD-40 penetrate for 10 minutes, then work from corners using plastic scrapers or old credit cards. Stubborn residue gets another treatment cycle. Clean the area with automotive soap afterward to remove any film. Perfect paint, vanished stickers, zero damage. That's the professional result. Spray sticker edges with WD-40. Wait 10 minutes for penetration. Peel from corners using plastic tools. Repeat for residue. Then wash area with automotive soap to restore finish. Tip number 10. Prevent winter door seal disasters. Frozen door seals turn your car into a prison when temperatures drop, and forced entry tears expensive rubber that costs $200–400 to replace per door. But that's not all. Damaged seals let water infiltrate, creating mold, electrical problems, and interior damage that insurance might not cover. The reason this is happening: rubber hardens in cold weather and bonds to painted surfaces through ice formation, creating mechanical adhesion that overpowers seal flexibility. But listen to this: WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray maintains rubber elasticity while creating a release layer that prevents ice bonding. It gets worse when you yank frozen doors. You'll stress latches, bend linkages, or shatter window glass from frame distortion. Instead, clean door seals thoroughly. Apply thin silicone coating before winter, and reapply monthly during cold season. The film prevents sticking without attracting dirt or degrading rubber compounds. Flexible seals, easy access, preserved interior, winter preparation that pays dividends. Clean door seals completely. Apply WD-40 Specialist Silicone Spray in thin layers before winter. Reapply monthly. Wipe excess prevents freezing without damaging rubber compounds. Tip number 11. Restore headlight clarity without kits. Cloudy headlights don't just look bad, they fail safety inspections and reduce visibility by 40%, turning night driving into dangerous guesswork. But listen to this: before spending $50 on restoration kits, try WD-40's gentle abrasive action combined with UV protection. The reason this is happening: polycarbonate lenses oxidize under UV exposure, creating microscopic surface roughness that scatters light instead of focusing it. It gets worse with time. What starts as slight haze becomes complete opacity that requires professional replacement at $300 per assembly. But that's not all. WD-40's solvent base can dissolve light oxidation, while its oil component provides temporary UV protection. Apply to cool lenses, work with microfiber cloth using circular motions, then buff clean. For heavy oxidation, use 2000 grit wet sandpaper first, then follow with WD-40 treatment. Results aren't permanent like professional kits, but they restore function instantly and buy time for proper restoration. Clear vision, safer driving, instant improvement. Sometimes simple solutions work best. Work on cool lenses. Apply WD-40. Polish with microfiber using circular motions. Buff clean for heavy oxidation. Wet sand with 2000 grit first, then treat with WD-40 for immediate clarity improvement. Right tool, right job. That's the foundation. WD-40 Specialist lines target specific problems with engineered formulas, while classic WD-40 handles general displacement and light lubrication. But remember the forbidden zones: brakes, sensors, timing components, and precision electronics never get sprayed. One mistake erases years of savings and creates liability that no shortcut justifies. Want more money-saving automotive secrets? Watch next: why your mechanic is lying about these 8 required services. Click through now and keep your hard-earned cash where it belongs. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute professional automotive advice. Always consult qualified technicians for safety-critical systems and follow manufacturer specifications. Work at your own risk.